Spring is finally here, and our crews are already hard at work preparing for the warmer months. They've been inspecting sidewalks, fixing potholes, sweeping streets, and painting lines. The long and snowy winter takes its toll on our roads and sidewalks, causing cracks and potholes. That's why the city of Markham has been using state-of-the-art AI technology to detect sections of streets that require repair and getting crews out as soon as possible. As the days get longer and warmer, our streetlight maintenance team is hard at work, making repairs and keeping our city safely lit. Our crews take great pride in the work they do for all of you to make sure our city is safe, clean, and in a state of good repair. They also take pride in our safety record. The Ministry of Transportation monitors and evaluates commercial vehicle safety records, and I'm proud to say that Markham was rated the very best in all of York Region. Spring means more time outdoors in our parks and trails. Our amazing parks crews spent the winter hard at work behind the scenes, preparing to keep our green spaces in great shape and getting everything ready for the warmer months. They've been busy maintaining more than 1,000 hanging baskets and planters, plus 60 beautiful planting beds and gardens across our facilities. Thanks to their hard work, we're all set to enjoy a vibrant, colorful spring and summer. We recently introduced Millie the Butterfly, our city mascot and chatbot. You'll be able to get information about city services and things happening around Markham 24/7 by chatting with Millie on our website. You'll also be able to say hi to Millie in real life at city events throughout Markham. To find out where and when you can see Millie this spring and summer, please visit markham.ca/Millie. While you're there, you can also check out the Good Neighbor Guide. It's a great resource for how you can prepare for spring around your own property. Everything from making it more bird-friendly to clearing catch basins. Spring has sprung, so enjoy the season by heading outdoors and everything Markham has to offer.